I'm going to place this underneath my standing desk and see if it supports me all day long. But first we got to open it up and take a closer look at it. So here is the StepLively mat. I got mine in black because that's just my aesthetic, but it does come in other colors as well. And it comes in different sizes too. I'm pretty sure I got mine in the smallest one, so we'll open that up and make sure it's true to size. So let's get it open. Now you'll see that it does have some wrinkles in it and it's not laying completely flat yet, but they say that if you leave it flat for a while, it will adjust and get rid of the wrinkles and lay totally flat. So this is obviously just a first look at it. And a lot of the wrinkles were where the interior roll was at. You can see over here where it was unrolled on the outside, it's already much more flat than this side over here. So I do expect that to decrease over time. But this is a really nice soft rubber material. It doesn't feel sticky at all, but not slippery either. And it feels cushiony, but also really supportive. Like I feel like you could drop like a glass plate on this and it would just bounce off of it and not break. Obviously, I can't guarantee that. It depends on the plate. Just the feel of it, that's what it gives me the impression of. You can see how it kind of leaves behind thumbprints in it like that. It feels like almost kind of like memory foam in a way. And if we flip it over, we see that it has this really kind of ribbed textured material here that's going to make sure it's not slipping and sliding all over the place. However, you probably do want to keep it dry, and if you make any spills, you'd want to clean it up just to maintain friction. But overall, this side feels much stickier than the top side. The mat appears to be 23 3/4 of an inch by it looks like 17 3/8 of an inch. And the best part is its thickness. It's much thicker than other mats. That's why I got this one. All right, so I'm gonna give it a little test here underneath my standing desk. Just gonna step onto it here and see how it feels preliminarily. Nice and squishy. You can see it's forming to my feet here. I feel like it takes a lot of pressure off my knees, that's for sure. And it feels nice and soft underneath my feet too, yet still supportive. And without my socks on, it's still really comfortable as well. It's got a nice amount of grip, but doesn't feel sticky. And I like that it feels nice and soft underneath my toes. The real test though will be to see how well this handles spills. So to test how well it deals with spills, I'm going to pour some of my freshly made coffee on it here. Here we go. Okay, it looks like it repelled all of it, even kicked some of it off the edge right here. So let's see if it actually soaked it up or what's going on here after I clean it up. Oh, you can see it cleans up really easy actually. Just a quick wipe of it like that. And there you go, it cleaned up pretty much immediately. It's still a little damp, but I'm sure if I let it dry out, it will be okay within a couple minutes. There you go, there's the spill test, works for that, works for the stepping test as well. Overall, a really nice anti-fatigue mat.